Does weight cutting benefit elite level boxers? And by elite level, we are talking about people who have had 15 or more bouts. Because at this point, you'll find there's a development curve in boxing, where in your early bouts, you'll struggle, and you'll start to improve quite dramatically through your development phase. But then there's kind of a plateau. And that plateau, we'll say it's about here, is generally around 15 bouts. That's why you can have somebody, with 30 bouts go against somebody with 70. Yes, you are more experienced and you're going to be more comfortable. But in terms of the actual skill curve, you're probably in a very similar place, because after 15 bouts, the ramp isn't so dramatic. Therefore, for elite level boxers, you're probably very fit. You're about as fit as you're going to be if you did 40 or 50. And you're clearly very skilled, which means that your opponents are also very fit and very skilled. So you're looking for these kind of marginal gains. For elite level boxers, a small weight advantage can begin to be useful, but we must remember this is still amateur sport. Unless you're a national or an international level boxer, you're still kind of playing with factors that are going to make a very small difference versus just spending more time in the gym, being physically fitter, spending more time with your coaches, or doing a bit more sparring or inter-club sparring. That's going to make a bigger difference still, okay, if you're not a professional, an international, or a national. And if you are a national or an international level boxer, you probably already have a coaching team around you who are knowledgeable in this. Okay, if you're on the England squad, you will have access to those kind of level 3 and up, really good level coaches who are really experienced. And if you're on the GB squad, or the relevant for whatever your country is, you wouldn't need to watch videos like this because you have a coaching team there. Okay, so it's a small advantage, but it does start to weigh a lot more when you start getting up the ladder.